And then we're going to hold the hammer. If it becomes too heavy, hold it high. Oh, you're already doing it. Okay, you're already holding it higher up. All right, from here, you're going to just, elbows are going to lift to the side, and then they're going to come right back down. And then you're going to lift them up to the side and come back down. So this is a traditional fitness type movement pattern, right? So it's just a lateral raise, but we're going to add into that some more from there. Elbows come up. Now from here, you're going to just rotate the hands so the hands face forward. And then you're going to rotate them down and come back to the side. So not only will this workout help chisel your shoulders, the muscles around your shoulder blades especially, and the side of your arms, it's also really good for strengthening those muscles, especially if you ever have issues with shoulder pain or shoulder tightness, if you've ever injured your shoulder. Have you ever injured your shoulder?
I had shoulder surgery.
Oh, that's right, I forgot. Arms come up, come down, and then down to the side. One more here, tilt up, rotate down, and come down to the center. We're going to add one more aspect, or one more piece to that puzzle there. We're going to lift the elbows up, rotate here, and then we're going to close the arms together like we're doing a chest fly. Then open back up, rotate down, and then bring the elbows down. What we're doing is we're specifically challenging those rotator cuff muscles that move around your shoulder blades, as well as the muscles on the outside of the arm, your deltoids. It does? Good. Elbows up, rotate, chest fly here, open back out, rotate down. One more, and then we'll add in. Rotate up, come back in, open, rotate down, and lower down. It's amazing how heavy the hammers actually become. All right, so from here, what we're going to do is we're going to bring the arms up in front. You can do this all without added weight like hammers or hand weights. You can actually do it with nothing, and it'll still be challenging by itself. So we're going to do a front raise with our arms. So we're going to do it bilaterally first, which means both arms together. So we're going to bring both arms up, and then bring both arms down. So my palms are facing down, just like the elbows are too. So we're keeping our palms face down as we lift and we lower. It will change the dynamic of the exercise if at any time you flip the palms up. You can totally do that if you want to. Now, what you can do from here as well is go all the way up and then come all the way down. Granted, if you have any limitation in your shoulder, just stop right before you feel any kind of pull or tightness. You don't have to go all the way up if you don't want to, or if it's uncomfortable at any time. Do two more here, and then lower down, and then one more here, and lower down. Now we're going to just do a single arm for right now. We're going to do one arm comes up, and as that arm comes down, we're going to flip it. So when we do this reciprocal motion, what happens is that it starts to challenge your core stability. You may or may not feel it, don't worry if you don't. But as soon as you do something that's in an opposite movement pattern such as this, it challenges not only your coordination, but it challenges the body to keep itself stable so it doesn't fall down.
I felt my abs engaged.
You did?
I did.
They're still there?
No, underneath.
Okay. Good. Well, one more here, and then come back down from here. Your arms are going to get tired if I did.
I hope so.
All right. Good. You're not performing tonight, right?
Nope.
Okay. Awesome. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do both arms come up like we did before. Then they're going to come out to the side. Then we're going to bring them back up, and then bring them back down. Four more here. So we bring them back up, and then out to the side. So when you watch our videos or these videos that we're putting and that I'm uploading to YouTube as well, you can combine multiple videos together to give you like a good 30-minute workout because we're doing just about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm glad you like that video. Out to the side, up to the ceiling, and then back down from there. Feeling okay?
Yeah.
All right. So now we're going to have our elbows bent again, and this time what we're going to do with the arm is we're going to actually turn it out to the side like so, right? And you can do them both at the same time, and then bring them together. So you'll bring them out to the side, and then back together. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping my elbow tucked into my rib cage, so it's not moving or wide, and I'm just rotating out and coming back in. And if you wanted a little bit more challenge on those rear deltoids, the back side of the arm that's right here at the shoulder, the palms can face up. It's a little bit harder holding the hammer to do that, but if the palms face up, bringing the arms together, come back to the center. Do it again the same side. So it's not just the arm coming across the body. I want to make sure your rib cage rotates with it, right? Come back to the center. And do 2 more here. Making sure you feel like that rib is drawing across the body. 1 more here. Back to the center. Doing 4 to the other side. So the arm comes across, but you turn your torso. And then come back to the center. 3 more here. And come back to the center. Then 2 more. And then back to the center. 1 more here. And back to the center. And come up. You feeling okay?
You think it's easy, but I'm already breaking out in sweat.
Yeah. If you're just sitting at home watching this, like a lot of people just sit and watch, it's amazing what if they actually pick up some hammers.
I like getting hammered.
What's your favorite? Tequila?
Yeah.
Tequila, okay. Do you like it, what is it, Ando or?
Añejo.
Yeah, you like it? See,
I like to mold like my husband.
Alright, that's good. Alright, so now we're just going to go to the side with our legs wide, and what we're going to do with our arms, we're going to do a side bend. So we're going to bring one arm up and just bend over to the side. The other arm kind of comes down. What you'll notice is when that hammer comes over the head, it increases the pull of gravity to bring you further to that side so you can feel that stretch a little bit more than you might have otherwise. Arm comes down, hand comes up. Again, any of the videos that we're doing, you can totally do with some other tool. Like if you don't have access to a hammer, grab some cans of soup, cans of wrench, any kind of thing, anything that has just a little extra weight to it will increase the challenge ever so slightly more. So we're going to add into this side bend just for 4 times. What we're going to do is as we side bend, we're going to bend our knees down and then come back up. And then side bend here, bend down, and then up. 2 more, bend the knees and bend over and lift. 1 more here, bend over and lift. Hey guys, thank you so very much for joining Yelva and I in our Get Hammered workout week. So make sure you bring the hammers tomorrow and we'll give you another workout. All right.
Thank you. That was awesome.
Isn't that fun? It's like 10